the last video you see me pick up the VXR and reveal it to you guys. Now it's time to give it a good clean, a deep decontamination, clean the interior, clean the bodywork, everything. But we're going to do it in parts. So let's go clean the exterior first and do the body. Let's go. First of all, we're going to be using some Power Max car jet wash concentrated cleaner stuff. Yeah. Use nasty plates off and clean behind them. Huh, it says GTC. Alright, some Polar Blast now, then we'll start agitating all the dirt in all the nooks and crannies. Time to agitate. I'm going to spray some tar and glue in all the areas which tar are built up on. Done. Right, now I'm going to give the wheels a good old scrub with some Meguiar's Ultimate All Wheel Cleaner. So we'll be taking these off at some point and giving them a proper good scrub. You know, all the wheel arches, brake calipers. These are filthy. Sort of running out of daylight, so we need to crack on and get this thing rinsed off and dried. Of course, it's a lot more harder now. There's no coating on the car. All nice and clean, all grime and grub removed. These look so much better without a rear plate. Now the exterior is all dry and cleaned, let's go clean the inside of the interior, clean all the areas which people have touched. Push, then they come out. Gotcha. This is why I like to take rear seats out to clean stuff. Ooh, a penny, 50p. Probably worth something. Ooh, some KFC salt bag. Nice. Right, we need to get this out and hoover it. So now we're going to be wiping everything down. Some soapy water, I'll wipe that down, get rid of the dirt and the dust, and we'll go from there. Let's do all the seat backs and the trims down here now. Lovely British weather's making this hard for me. So let's hoover the rest of the front now and then give all the trims a wipe down also, and the chairs. Let's start tackling the dashboard now, giving that a good wipe down. The rear And the front is all done. Carpets are a lot more cleaner now. All the dirt has been removed. One there is a lot better now. Just need to get some interior detailing next on the door cards and the dash. Time to clean the boot now. Let's get the interior boot floor out. Then what we'll do is we'll take the floor up, take the sub box out, and then hoover out under behind that. Take this polystyrene thing out. There we are, loads better, all nice and clean now. Even did this little tray, and just like that, it looks brand new again. All done. Okay, so now the interior is all clean, there's a couple of things we need to do, so let me show you. So in the back, get that down, we need to sort out this dimple on here. It's like a small indentation. I'm going to apply some heat to that to get that out. I need to put some leather paint on this side of the chair, just in that corner bit, and there's a couple other bits I need to touch up as well. Then we need to remove this weird vinyl wrap because someone's not done a very good job and it's actually peeling. And then we're going to treat the leather with some Maguire's balm and also treat all the plastics. Let's crack on. Now then, I see on the internet you just have to heat it up. Usually with a heat gun, but I'm going to try a hairdryer first. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, well, it's better. I said it's never going to be perfect, but it's much better than what it once was. I'll put a photo on the screen of when I brought the car from the dealer photo, and you can see there's a big old crease. Let's patch in some of the leather now where it's worn with a special dye I have. So this is just some stuff I found in Hobbycraft a few years back, and it still works quite well. So I'm just going to put some on the chair and then just sort of dabber it, like sort of maneuver it around on the leather. There's a couple other bits I need to do as well. So let's give that a go. Hopefully it should work. Just there it was. You can barely see it now. So I'm going to carry on with the rest now. It's a lot better. You wouldn't even tell now. I'm not sure on how well the camera will pick this up, but I've literally gone over the whole of the chair, inspecting every corner and every angle of it, trying to touch on all the leather. But it's looking a lot better now. All the bolsters have less markings on them. They've all been dyed. So I'm pleased with this stuff. It works well. And now it's time to remove these inserts which someone has wrapped. I mean, they look cool, but they're just not done very well, unfortunately. So let's get these off and de-wrapped. They should just fall out. Someone's done a crazy job on this. At least they're not damaged underneath, so that's a good thing. Who 3M tapes wrap to underneath it to stop it unpeeling? So now all the chair inserts are de-wrapped. Let's clean them up and stick them back in. Right, let's heat these up. Personally, I think that looks much better now. Back to OEM. Let's start to treat the leather now. So I've got some Ultimate Leather Detailer by Maguire's. I'm going to wipe it over first. Then we're going to use some Ultimate Leather Balm. So once the rear seating area was fully wiped down and treated, I then repeated the process on the front seats, making sure the leather treatment was thoroughly covering the chairs from top to bottom. It's a very tedious job, but well worth it because the results are fantastic, leaving a nice clean, fresh smell, along with the chairs now being protected from liquid spills and any takeaway sediments. Now these look factory fresh. Nice and shiny and clean. The blue really pops now. I don't know how much you can tell on camera, but in person, yeah. mega. And to top it off, I sprayed all the carpeted areas with some Meguiar's air freshener. So now the interior of the VXR is absolutely immaculate. I have got some mats to install. But before we install the mats, I've got some fabric protector I'm going to use. Apologies on the camera angle here. I'm sure my next videos are going to be much better. It's a new camera. I was trying it out and yeah, it was on my head a bit too far. Now that these have dried, we're going to get them in. Now that's just a little finishing touch. Don't they look great? VXR logo there. And in the back, just about see him down there. That is one clean interior. And of course, we can't forget one of these. Marvellous. So that is a VXR completely clean to my standard. Now we did run out of time to do the wheels. To be fair, it is in winter anyway, so there's no point. It's just going to get completely covered. Yeah, I will take the wheels off and give them like a deep clean and clean the wheel arches and stuff. But from the inside, it is immaculate in here now. It feels like a brand new car. It smells clean in here. And it's just a nice place to be now. That is all from this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you're enjoying it, give it a like. Please subscribe and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.